Could aliens be hiding beneath the ocean's surface? The answer to this fascinating question might surprise you, or maybe not. But it's highly unlikely that we'll find any concrete evidence linking aliens to the depths of the sea. Nevertheless, it's worth exploring alternative perspectives and diving deeper into the mysterious world of the ocean. We all know that water is everywhere. It covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface, but astonishingly, a whole 80% of our oceans remain uncharted, unseen, and unexplored, as per the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. This means that scientists constantly encounter new and perplexing phenomena in the ocean. One remarkable example is the work of Luis Rocha, a Brazilian ichthyologist. He has made astounding discoveries in the Twilight Zone, a mysterious region that lies between 200 and 500 feet deep. The Twilight Zone is known for its dim light and cold temperatures. Rocha's research has revealed over 30 previously unknown species that call this twilight realm their home. And let's not forget the recent news about TOI 1452b, a planet nicknamed the Water World. It's believed to have a massive ocean in its entirety. Scientists are gearing up to investigate this watery wonder using the advanced JWST. Ultimately, water is an integral part of our existence. Its importance to life on Earth makes me wonder if it's equally as vital to extraterrestrial life forms. It's possible, although extremely unlikely, that these mysterious beings have been right here among us all along. Let's take a closer look at the potential evidence that some people claim could be of alien origin. The first evidence is a circular seafloor hill situated about 350 miles off Lima's coast. This hill has a diameter of 4.2 miles and looks very different from the surrounding rough ocean floor topography as seen in images on Google Earth. Some have speculated that it could be a crashed alien ship hidden beneath the sea. However, the likelihood of this theory is almost unreasonable for a couple of reasons. Firstly, the fact that the main evidence for this place came from Google Earth's website makes me skeptical. Secondly, the images were generated using Google Earth, which combines data from various sources to create a comprehensive view of the ocean floor. As a result, visual artifacts and anomalies are not uncommon in such imagery. Now let's turn our attention to the holes discovered by a remotely operated submersible along the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, which is part of the world's largest sized mountain range. The vehicle dived in 2022 and encountered sets of holes on the seabed that displayed a repetitive pattern. These holes are surrounded by small sediments, indicating that living marine organisms may have been involved in their creation. Interestingly, similar sets of these same holes and sediment were found during an exploration of the ocean bed conducted by a team from the US National Marine Fisheries Service in 2004. The term Lebensspuren, which means life traces in German, is the best explanation for such phenomena. While it's not surprising that some alien enthusiasts have linked the repetitive hole pattern to extraterrestrial life, it sure raises the question of why aliens would spend that much time creating small holes on the ocean floor for humans to discover. Other possible explanations include natural phenomena or human activities such as excavation and research that may have disturbed the sediments on the seabed. In The Search for Life Beyond Earth, Alan Stern suggests a different approach that brings to mind stories by H.P. Lovecraft. He believes that the best places to look for alien life are hidden beneath layers of rock and ice in the deep oceans of celestial bodies like Enceladus or Europa. While habitable worlds with surface oceans like our own Earth need to be closer to their stars, life could potentially thrive in the depths of icy orbs located far away from their stellar hosts. In recent years, scientists have made some fascinating findings. One of Saturn's smaller moons has a deep saltwater ocean, increasing the possibility of finding aliens in our solar system. The Cassini space probe discovered this vast ocean of water beneath Enceladus' icy surface by measuring its gravitational field. The ocean, which is much larger than Lake Superior, extends about 10 kilometers deep. According to David Stevenson, another planetary scientist, the body of water is so extensive that it may stretch halfway or even further towards the equator in all directions, possibly reaching the northern regions as well. Enceladus' saltwater oceans, situated 1 billion kilometers away from Earth, aligns with NASA's long-held principle of following the water in the search for signs of extraterrestrial life. However, water alone is not the only reason why Enceladus is considered a promising host for aliens. The water in the Moon's subsurface ocean comes into contact with its rocky core, allowing vital elements for life such as sulfur, potassium, and phosphorus to enter the ocean's depths. Mathematician Nikolai Bryliantov discussed a theory on how water vapor jets might erupt from Enceladus if it truly has an underground ocean. The confirmation of the ocean's existence solidified Enceladus's position as the most promising location to date for the discovery of aliens. He believes that Enceladus, one of Saturn's moons, provides favorable conditions for life. With liquid water, essential chemicals, and heat, the moon offers a favorable environment that is well equipped to host life. In comparison, Mars shows signs of water in its past, but Enceladus presents a compelling evidence of liquid water in the present. Bryliantov emphasizes the technical feasibility of sending a probe to drill into the moon's surface and examine the water. This exploration could potentially reveal whether we're alone in the universe or if other life forms exist on the moon. Alan Stern argues that Earth-like planets are likely rare. Planets with surface oceans face various threats in space, as we have seen from the challenges that Mars encountered. In contrast, icy worlds with subsurface oceans protected by layers of ice and rock have a higher chance of preserving life during events like coronal mass ejections and encounters with molecular clouds that cause extreme cold. Planets which are not bound to a specific star also offer potential habitats for life. Organisms residing deep beneath the surface layers of a moon or planet would be unaffected by external phenomena. Even if surface temperatures reached absolute zero, life could persist in the depths of the ocean. As Stern suggests, planetary scientists anticipate surprises as they explore celestial bodies beyond our solar system. The diversity of planetary conditions provides the possibility of different forms of life. While we tend to understand life based on our unique circumstances, the existence of alternative life forms remains a possibility. Therefore, we need to maintain an open mind and embrace the unexpected, which are crucial in our quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Beneath the surface, both literally and metaphorically, lies a fascinating question about these mysterious hypothetical worlds. Let's think about it this way. Imagine being stranded on a desert island without any knowledge of the diverse plant and animal life beyond. Similarly, there could be alien beings living in realms so different from ours that they might not even understand the concept of inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. These extraterrestrial life forms might have complex thinking abilities, but it's uncertain if they have hidden civilizations like the nightmarish relay in Lovecraft stories. For creatures that rely heavily on water, space travel could be impossible. Moreover, these intelligent beings from the deep sea would not try to contact other planets through interstellar messages because they don't know other planets exist. The icy depths of their world would trap any technological signals, preventing them from escaping. These organisms have evolved to breathe underwater and remain isolated in their aquatic realms, unaware of the vastness of the universe. Just the idea of breathing the surface would be a massive revelation for them. Imagine their amazement at seeing stars in the sky, a sight that their underwater minds cannot comprehend. Alan Stern suggests that if the pattern we observe in our solar system applies to the entire universe, most celestial bodies with oceans will provide stable environments for the development of life. Life forms would evolve within these oceans, completely ignorant of the universe beyond. Alongside pondering the possibility of undiscovered alien life thriving on the ocean floor, there is also the intriguing idea that extraterrestrial technology may have crashed into Earth's vast oceans. Professor Avi Loeb from the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics has proposed this hypothesis. He points to a meteor that entered Earth's atmosphere in 2014, blowing up into pieces that scattered across the Pacific Ocean. Avi Loeb argues that this meteor, known as CNEOS 2014-0108, traveled at a speed of about 40 kilometers per second, too fast to be bound by the sun's gravity. Consequently, he suggests that this object predates Oumuamua, the first interstellar object that crossed our solar system in 2017. Loeb now sets out on a mission to explore the ocean's depths, hoping to find evidence of this celestial object and ascertain if it is of extraterrestrial origin. Naturally, his proposal was largely criticized. The main challenge is accurately measuring the velocity of meteors before they collide with the atmosphere, which makes it uncertain if the object truly comes from interstellar space. Additionally, any remains left after impact would be tiny, weighing just a few grams or less, making it virtually impossible to pinpoint a specific search area. Essentially, it's like looking for a needle, in this case, a drop in the ocean. While the existence of aliens in the ocean remains speculative, we must continue our pursuit of knowledge. Even if the chances of finding extraterrestrial life may seem slim, the vast expanse of the ocean floor still holds countless wonders waiting to be discovered and amaze us all. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, click on the screen to watch other videos like this one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to get notified when we post a new video.